Wait,
hi
Mom,
everyone.
wait till I got it.
Hello, hi everyone.
You're a trip. We're gonna move this back just a little more.
Hello
everyone, and welcome to Curls and
Cocktails.
You're too animated.
I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing those.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to Curls and Cocktails. As you can see, today we have a special guest. Is your phone ringing? Already? No, this is not going to be happening the whole time.
I don't know who it is. Don't worry about it.
Alright, and today we have a special guest. This is my mom, and today we will be doing my curly hair routine on my mom. She just wet her hair, as I asked her to do, and now we're re-wetting her hair. Ma, how often do you do a curly hair routine? Never. Have I ever done your curly hair routine?
No.
No. Okay.
No. So this is a first. I'm so excited.
I don't even know what your curls look like. Do you have curls?
Yes, I do have curls. Everybody has curls.
Not everybody.
Everybody has curls.
Apparently she has curls. So I'm starting with my Baby Davy, Carol's Daughters leave-in cottage strength conditioner. Running that through her whole hair. Her hair is much thinner than mine, so we're going to see how this goes. Apparently she has curls.
It should be easier.
Do you want to play our favorite game?
What? No, we're not playing it. No.
What's our favorite game?
I have to guess the end of her sentences. No. Songs. Lyrics
It's not
to
a sentence, it's a song.
Lyrics to the song. Not doing it.
You don't like that game?
Not doing it.
Where did I put my brush?
Because I never get it right.
You're right. Are you sure you don't want to play our favorite game? Just like 3. Just throw it in there.
No, because I never get them right. No, I'm not doing it.
But maybe I'll do easy ones.
No.
For you.
Nope.
I'll pick some Lionel Richie songs.
Yeah, maybe I can.
You probably
I probably still won't know the words.
We'll get them right, and that's your favorite guy.
Thank you.
All right, so we brush through her hair. Your hair's really easy to brush through.
It is. My hair takes no time to do. It's very thin.
Are you staring at yourself, Mom?
No, I'm looking in
the viewfinder?
At the camera.
Yeah, that's at yourself. All right, I brought these to separate your hair. I really don't feel a need to do so, but we're going to do it because I do that with my hair, and I said this is my curly hair routine, but on you.
Hopefully I get lots of curls.
Lot of body. That's a
Yeah,
company?
a lot of body. No, it's not a company.
It's
None
a
that I know of.
product?
Nope, just the same.
Oh. How do you feel about Meg Thee Stallion?
Don't even start, Jess.
You don't want the songs?
No.
I can give you some good ones.
Because you know I'm not going to get it right, so I'm not even going there.
But I want them to hear how funny your answers are. That's the best part. Your funny answers.
That's okay. That's okay. Let's play another game.
Okay. I don't have another game prepared. I thought you were going to say yes to that game. Oh, you have a lot of curls back here, girl.
I have curls.
Okay, girl.
Just not as curly as yours, but I have curls. I have some.
You have like baby hairs.
Huh?
All right, so in the summer, I can't see anything. I don't like a lot of product or heavy product, so I mixed my cream with my gel to like use less product but still get the definition I want. And today we are using the Curl Defining Cream by Suave. A little bit of that. She has thinner hair, so I'm not going to use that much. And I'm mixing it with Weedad's Vita Curl Tress Effects Styling Gel. Have you ever heard of any of these products, Ma?
Nope. Not one.
Not a single one. Oh, I put a lot in my hand thinking your hair is thicker and it's not.
No, it's not.
And oop.
It's so easy. My hair is very easy to do.
Sounds like you're bragging.
No, I can't. I'm not good at doing it, but it's easy to do because it's not much to it. How's it looking?
It's looking. We're gonna blow dry it too. Oh, oop, I did a lot there. We're gonna blow dry it too because typically I air dry my hair, but I just really don't trust that after I let you walk away, I'm gonna be able to get you back behind this camera.
Yes, you will. Yes,
So do you want to air dry it or do you want me to diffuse it?
Diffuse it because I've never had it diffused.
All right. Well, we're trying all new things today, so
Yeah.
I think since we're trying all new things, you should play my game.
Okay, I'll play one.
Yes. All right. Let me think. Let me think real hard.
Don't make it hard.
Okay. No, I'm gonna think hard. All right, the one I asked you this morning. I'm gonna re-ask you the one I asked you this morning.
That one. No, we're not doing it.
Mom.
No.
But I already gave you the answer.
But I don't remember what the answer was.
Alright, I'm gonna tell the people the one I asked you this morning. The one I asked you this morning was, I put on my jewelry just to go to the... And she said...
Brewery. No, no.
The what?
No.
The brewery? What? It's bodega.
It rhymes.
The bodega. It don't need to rhyme. Common music doesn't... Modern day music doesn't rhyme.
Put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega. Hey?
Bodega. You wouldn't put on your jewelry just to go to bodega?
No, I wouldn't.
It's saying you gotta pop out even if you're going somewhere simple.
To the bodega.
Like when you put on a full cheetah print outfit to go to Target. It's like that, but in young people. I put on my cheetah print to go to Target. That's basically what she's saying.
Yeah, to the bodega. That's interesting. Very interesting. Give me another one.
Did you want to say ignorant? Or did you want to say interesting?
Interesting.
Okay. All right. Choose a category. We're going to go rap,
No.
pop.
Nope.
I don't really know anything else. Country.
R&B.
R&B. Who you count as R&B? You want old school R&B? Because I feel like you
Yeah,
get that
old
one.
school.
That's cheating. That's cheating. You don't get that category. No.
Okay, you pick a category.
Okay. Did I already put the leave-in in this? I think so.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't recall. Your hair is quick. Shoot.
I told you it doesn't take any time.
Maybe I should take your hair.
It doesn't take any time. Oh, it even feels better.
It feels light and
Yes,
fluffy.
it feels light.
And detangled.
No, it really does. It feels light.
Yeah, as I said, I mix the product so it's not too heavy. Because typically I do... You need your ends clip, bro.
Yeah.
Typically I do the leave-in, then the cream, then the gel. But that's just like winter time and fall time because it's
Why do you do that?
cold.
Oh, just.
Oh, so to like lock in moisture. But now, when it's hot out, I sweat. I'm a plumber.
Yes, you do.
So I sweat a lot. And if I put too much product in, it's going to be sweating all over my back. That's not cute. So.
No, that isn't cute, Jess. Especially on a nice outfit. Nah, baddie.
All right, we'll skip the song game.
Okay, thank
So
you.
we won't embarrass you. But
Thank you.
to be, you can choose your favorite child out of all of us.
My favorite child is.
All of them.
I was gonna say all of the above. All of the above.
You just let us know who your actual favorite is, Ma.
Oh,
Justine.
Justine's my favorite oldest daughter. Yes, she is.
Y'all love playing that game. My favorite oldest daughter. The only oldest daughter you have.
My favorite oldest daughter. Remember Uncle Kenny used to tell you that all the time? You're my favorite niece. It's like she's your only niece.
I am his only niece. Now I'm not.
No, he can't say it now.
No, he can still say it.
I doubt it. I doubt if he'll say it.
Quite possibly might be a lie.
No, it's not. It may not be a lie, but it's just I don't think he'd say it.
All right, Ma, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
If you got it.
Then flaunt it.
Okay.
That was good. That one.
Okay.
Give me another one.
It's here. We're almost done.
Really?
Yeah, you only have so big of a head. Meaning your head's not big. That's what I meant by that. This looks good. I did good. I'm not done yet, but I did good anyway.
You're not going to twirl it in the
I
front?
am going to twirl. Do you watch my videos?
Yes, I did.
Okay, girl. She watches my videos, y'all. All right, I am going to twirl it in the front, actually.
Yeah, like, you're not going to twirl mine in the front, make it look nice like yours?
Nice and defined
Yes.
in the front. Oh, sorry. You got stuck. Oops, sorry.
Are they curling?
Yeah, that's what this does.
No, because
Look.
my ends are dead, so that's why. I need to cut them.
You got a little bop.
Can't wait to see
Your curl's a little bop in it.
Your father's going to be surprised.
My daddy.
Your
The
daddy.
dotties. Oh, maybe I should get daddy on the channel.
Oh, yeah, you can do
He doesn't have
this.
curls.
Yeah, but you can do something to his hair.
You guys don't drink, so we can't do cocktails.
Oh, you may drink it. He'll drink one. He'll drink one.
He'll drink one. Well, we only technically make one, so.
That's it. If he doesn't drink it, his wife will drink it.
That's you.
Yes. His wife will
Yes.
drink it. I can't wait to see it. It feels nice.
Technically, how do you know it feels nice, Mom?
Because it feels light. Very much lighter
Why
than
does it
normal.
feel? You're gonna tell Aunt Carla I did your hair?
Yes, because she wants you to do
Aunt
her.
Carla, you should watch this video. I'm like not in this. You didn't tell me I wasn't in it like the whole time.
Oh, I wasn't looking at it.
I'm Carla. Come up to NJ so I can do your hair.
Hers look really nice. She has nice curls.
Yeah, you need to chop these.
I don't get a t-shirt.
Okay, you really be watching all my videos. I would plop it, but your hair's so short that I really feel no need to plop.
Okay.
Since I'm gonna diffuse. I plop my hair if I usually don't diffuse, but she be watching, y'all.
Yes, I do.
Do you like, comment, and subscribe?
I don't know how to do that.
What?
Don't know how to do that.
What? That's easy. Like, comment, subscribe. All right, so we're here.
Oh, I always like. I do like. I always like.
We're gonna diffuse. Oh, go ahead. You can still talk.
I said I do like. I just never do anything else.
I'm going to diffuse on medium heat, low speed.
I'd rather go to a winery.
That's all you do there is try their wine.
But it's beautiful.
All right, let me... Oh, you have my favorite spray in here too. We're gonna use my favorite spray, the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Envy Dry Styling Oil. Have you used? Do you use this?
Yes, I do.
This is my favorite thing ever.
I like it too.
I like it too. We're fin. Let me give you guys a close-up. This is a close-up curl definition. We got some def in there. We got some length. Ma, how do you feel lengthened?
Yes, I do.
These need to go, but she won't let me cut them, so.
No, I will. One day.
These are the finger coiled ones. I should have finger coiled your whole head. We could do that in a different video.
Yes, because I love finger coils.
Def. Who's outside?
Oh, I look beautiful. Oh, I love it, Jess.
Okay, you can fix the front. So, like, I don't know if you like
love it.
middle
I
or side.
absolutely love it. Oh my god.
She loves it. She loves
The
it.
ladies at work, they're gonna be so excited.
Have them watch my video.
I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. All right, so she loves it. Thank you everyone for watching today. Thanks, Mom, for visiting us on my channel.
She's great. I love it. Thank you, Debbie. First time ever. First time ever.
On my channel or me doing your hair?
First time ever doing my
For
hair.
both.
For doing my hair.
For both. She'll be back. She'll be back, y'all. I'll do her hair again. We'll probably do finger coils next time. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Oh, you say it, Mom. Thank you for...
Thank you for liking. Wait, stop.
Come
stop.
on. I can cut it out.
Thank you for liking what?
I'm not going to tell you.
Subscribe. Like, subscribe. Wait.
Yeah.
Subscribe, like.
It doesn't matter what order you say it.
Okay.
Just say it.
Thank you for liking, subscribe, comment.
There we
and
go.
like.
Why did that take 7 times? Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Comment down below some songs for me to give her. Leave the blank. I won't tell her the answer. So leave
Not
the part
hard
you want
ones.
and the blank part that you want her to fill in. I'll do a whole video on her filling in songs.
Easy songs.
There's no easy song. Okay, easy like...
Easy like Sunday morning.
There we go. You got that one. A little Lionel. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching.
I've got bad habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it.